Can we take a second to appreciate the little wins in life? I just figured out a Google Sheets feature that would have saved me so much time. And I feel kind of dumb. So I need to share that with you so you don't waste your time. When I was developing my digital budget planner, I manually created the background colors alternating in
every single table in every single tab.
What I did not know is that Google Sheets has a feature that does that for you. All you gotta do is select the table that you want to change the background colors alternating and go under Format, Alternating Colors. You can choose if your table has a header or not, and then you pick the colors. And that's it. No more manual work. If only I could find a time turner and go back in time and save the time I spent manually changing the background colors. If you want to learn more how to make your life easier with spreadsheets, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.